everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix Instagram highlights that won't load properly. If your highlights are stuck on loading, follow these steps to resolve the issue. The first thing to try is force closing Instagram. Go to your recent apps and swipe away Instagram to close it completely. Then, reopen the app and check if the highlights load properly. Next, clear cache or reinstall Instagram. If you are on Android, go to Settings, tap Apps, Apps again, find Instagram, Storage, and select Clear Cache. If you are on an iPhone, uninstall and reinstall Instagram from the App Store. This helps to refresh the app. If this didn't work, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection might prevent highlights from loading. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or move to an area with a stronger signal. Step 4. Update Instagram. Sometimes the app might need an update to fix bugs. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. Then, check if any updates are available. Next, edit or re-add the highlight. If one specific highlight is not loading, go to your profile, tap the highlight, tap More, and select Edit Highlight. You can remove the affected story and re-add it. If your highlight still won't load, you can report the issue to Instagram. Go to your profile, then Settings, tap Help, and select Report a Problem. Describe the issue you're facing and submit it. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any loading issues with your Instagram highlights. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!